Hi guys, it's Tony. How are you doing? Today we're looking at a different type of coffee which I've ordered for these. These are the Scottish coffee roasters. I don't know if you've ever heard of these. Anyway, this is the box that I ordered, which was Gaidheal Gold After Dark. This is 1 kilogram of ScottishCoffee.com. This is a mix of robusta and Arabica beans. So that's like 4 kilos, like 1, 2, and next one, 3. So I got all 4 kilos for £30 drop. But yeah, and the other one, of course, is here, which I've used about half of it already. Alright, so first thing I'm going to show you is a quick look at the coffee itself. So I'm going to get onto the grinding test. So we've got the famous Crux coffee grinder here. So this is what this looks like, guys. Take a look at that. Oh wow, that's so good. I'll grab a few out for you so you can have a quick look at those. They smell really nice. Now, I was going to get some espresso beans, but these are espresso anyway, but they're just quality coffee beans, robusta and Arabica. So you can see there is both different types in. Looks good, doesn't it? All you coffee fans out there. Oh. So I'm going to put a few of these in here. Excuse my cough because I've been feeling a bit ill lately. I don't need as much as that. Probably maybe a few more. Oh, in out me, indecisive today. Right, okay. So we're gonna now put some in here. To the robusta. Straight in the back there, I've got my coffee pot. As a tip for you guys, I always switch the power off because yeah, enough said. Chopping your fingers off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some water in there, see how it goes. As a tip for you guys, I always give it a quick stir, just like that. Let's get the beans moving along nicely in your cafetiere. Alright, so this has been brewing for a couple of minutes. Let's try that. Well, I like a little bit of milk in my coffee, but you can see the flavour on that. It's quite a strong coffee, this as well. But the robusta beans are the ones that give it the bang, you know. By the way, the milk is from, this is from Gaidheal and it's excellent. I did a video on that. I'm sure I did a video on that. Yeah, I did. Right, okay. So, what's it like, guys? I'm in my pyjamas. It's nearly 12 o'clock. Really nice coffee. Really nice. I think it's a very nice everyday coffee. If you're looking for something like a really nice sort of special coffee, go for something like elephant beans, Guatemalan coffee, the Costa Rican stuff. But this is a really nice coffee. I'd recommend this just for drinking through the day in the morning. Very nice indeed. So thanks for watching, guys, this coffee demo. I've got coughing, it is getting better. And we'll catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe. This has been brought to you by Gold After Dark. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.